ಕಪ್ಪು ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಟಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರದ ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮದು ವನ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಸಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹಾಯ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಕ್ಷೇಮಾವನದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ ವಾರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 5:30 ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವಾಕ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ವಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಮತ್ತು ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನ್ನರು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6:30 7:00 ಸುರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇಮಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್. ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಸಿವು. 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್. ಪೊಟೇಟೊ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಸೂಪ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದ ಸೂಪ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗಾಡ್. ನೋಡೋಣ. So tired. I can't wait to have dinner and do my favorite steam sauna sesh. No, you're supposed to eat the fruit first, the soup, and then the dinner. Lucky dragon fruit. I like dragon fruit. Quite juicy. Yum yum.
I can't even eat a
Mother.
more freaking burger or anything after going back.
Why?
Because of my tooth.
Our food critic.
Vada. Feeling like relax.
There's no soup only there.
I think it's pumpkin soup.
Is it nice or no?
I haven't tried it properly.
Yeah, try it first.
It's fine.
What's the issue, sir? I will not like.
Good for you.
Salt is not there.
Bay. They should not.
This is Ganji water.
How you told me what I was doing? Exactly.
I hate Ganji water.
This is not even Ganji, that's pumpkin.
It's Ganji. Tili it is.
It is pumpkin, bro.
Baby, you're not tasting Tili in this.
So much you made fun of me, but look who's making the face.
I'm not cribbing like you and saying.
Okay, you better finish it.
I won't finish, but I won't crib also like you.
Okay, fine.
If I don't like, I'll just keep it in the side. Sorry guys, I can't do this. I don't like Ganji.
First of all, that is pumpkin, guys, not even Ganji.
It's Ganji. I can tell. You're not getting the Ganji
She only likes Genji, not Ganji.
Yeah, Genji. Guys, actually, ಇದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ it doesn't look bad. There's some paneer illi, some palya illi, some more palya illi, and some potato. I think I'll have these two and few bites of that. And this roti that they keep giving, I don't know what roti it is. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ to do my most favorite thing. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my most favorite thing to do if I'm in any hotel is steam and sauna. Full clear ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ನೋಡಿ how bad it is. So all the gunk and all the clogged pores will get unclogged and it's really good for your skin. So I'm going to be doing that. See y'all. Time for some hydrotherapy. Finally, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತು. Done with my shower. My skin care done. And ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 8:30. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಕಪ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಕಪ್ ನೋಡಿ Tomorrow our day starts very early. Yeah. So we have to sleep early. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ರೂಟೀನನ್ನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಡಿನ್ನರೆಲ್ಲ 8:00 ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಡೇ ಅಟ್ 8:30. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿನೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಕೆಲಸನೇ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಂಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಟೈಮೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೂ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಶೂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 8:30. ಇಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಭಾರಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂದಿಷ್ಟ ನಂದಿಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಜಗಳಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಶೋ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಅಪ್. ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್. I know now it's too late that we're posting this vlog now, but this was shot 2 weeks ago. After that, we finished our TV show and everything, and we went to bed at about 11 o'clock. Nah, I'm just kidding. It was about 12. But we have a long day in the morning, so good night. Good morning. It's 5 o'clock. Just woke up, put on some yoga clothes, and ready to go try some yoga. It's freezing. And it's not yet sunrise outside. Still dark. And we are up before the sun is up. First and last, I think. We have arrived. Felt really good to wake up early and finish up our yoga and pranayama so early in the morning. We were done at about 7, and I felt like the yoga was very basic. It was more like stretching because there are a lot of old people illi, and ellarge ಮಾಡುವಾಗೆ exercises ಅನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. So I felt it was very beginner level. But anyways, it was nice to stretch, and ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ they put some cold mud pack on my abdomen and on my eyes. ಚಳಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೋಕ್ ಮೀ ಅಪ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಚೆಕಪ್ಗೆ. ದೇ ಚೆಕರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡೇ, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್. ಚೆಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಗರ್ದು BP ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೋ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಏನಾಯಿತು ಸರ್, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಸಾಗರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನನಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಕೊಡಿ, ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ BP ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಗೈಸ್, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಟ್ 7:40. ನನಗೆ ಇದೆ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಪಪ್ಪಾಯ, ದೋಸೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಸಮ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಫುಡ್. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ದು ಚೆಕಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ರೂಮ್ಗೆ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ವಿಲ್ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಾಗರ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಮಸಾಜ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡನ್ 1 sec, ಸಾರಿ. ನಂದಿವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 8:20 and a massage is scheduled for me at 9:30. So until then, I'm going to sleep. ನಿದ್ದೆನೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬೆಡ್. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಮಸಾಜ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಸ್ವೀಡಿಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಸಾಜ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಫುಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ, and it was really nice and soothing. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ I had to take a shower because obviously I had to take off all the ಎಣ್ಣೆ. Chilling for a bit in the balcony before we start our daily full packed schedule ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the only time we got to chill for a bit. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ we are now going on our way. ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, going to our individual therapies. Sagar and me have both different schedules.
There is a buggy service available, but my beautiful wife
It's right here.
wants to walk a romantic walk where I can't even hold her properly.
Get down.
See, you put all pressure on my shoulder here.
Can I hold your waist?
Hold? Who is stopping you?
This is Shemavana. I can't do all that. It will become a Shemavana.
Guys, he has done a full some mud therapy where he was wrapped
Sheikh
in
kebab.
banana leaves. Such content-worthy stuff he has done, and he didn't think he should take a YouTube video for it. Nodi guys, ಪಾಪ ಸಾಗರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಫ್ರೀಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂಥರ ಒಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದೇ.
I've come for my physiotherapy now, and she's teaching me a couple of exercises that I need to do every day to loosen up my calf muscles, my hamstrings, and to fix my posture. I slouch and lot of things. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂಳೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐವ್ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾ, just take the leg to the opposite side. 5, 4, 3. Oh my god, you guys, ನಂದು ಇಡೀ ಪಾಸ್ಚರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಆ ಫುಟ್ ಇಂಜರಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಬಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೈ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ವೀಕ್, ಸೋ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, pray for me. Actually, it was already time for lunch. Lunch here is between 11:30 to 12:30. I know, right? Unbelievable. As soon as I finished lunch, it was time for my mud therapy, which was basically they put hot mud on my back. It was pretty hot, but it was basically I complain of back pain all the time. So I felt like it quite helped me ease my back pain. I don't know if it was that or the physiotherapy, but my back feels much better. Adadmele it was time for acupuncture. By the way, guys, I did not find acupuncture that scary or painful at all. It was like tiny ant bites. If you're scared of needles, then yeah, good luck to you. But it was nice. Basically, you just have to put these needles and sleep for half an hour to 45 minutes. Adadmele was almost done with most of our treatments and therapies for the day. So we did a nice sound healing session. Sagar's first time doing sound meditation. How was it?
Inhale deep.
Tell me.
Exhale slow.
Just tell me about sound
It was nice.
meditation.
It was crazy. It was insane,
nice.
insane.
You liked it?
Yeah. I wish my seat was really comfortable.
See, it won't be comfortable. You should be learn to sit like that.
I can't.
It was nice, guys. ಗೈಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಗರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಚೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬರೋ ಮುಂಚೆ in between the conversation you walk.
No, I wanted to sit here.
You say wait, no, 1 minute.
Sorry.
Just get up and go.
Sorry.
The 10th time is fucking up today. He's messed with my patience and everything from the minute I've stepped into this place. You'll approve. Whenever I'm excited about anything, he'll fuck that trip up on it for me. Anyways.
So I did cheating today.
Yeah. Sagar, are you ready for some sattvic food?
I am ready. Are you?
My fear is the food. I'm a picky eater. Sagar's fear, the laziest bum on the planet. So 5:30 ಎದ್ದು ಯೋಗ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 7:30ಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಟಿ ಬಾಯ್ಗೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. He has officially lost both challenges because he requested the doctor. I can't eat this food, doctor. Please give me staff food also. I will eat. So the doctor has sent him staff food, and if he's talking about waking up at 5:30 today, he snoozed the alarm like some 5 times, and even at 5 o'clock he's saying in 10 minutes I will wake up. If you would have done that, do you think you would have made it to yoga on time? So you lost that challenge. So anyways, let me show you his luxurious food for the day.
We are in the lockup. Are you ready for
He's
this?
taken the premium tray. Wow! Lucky man.
You said no. The doctor. Are you ready for this?
I'm going.
See this.
What is it?
Urgade.
Palak paneer.
Maigade.
God. And soya chunks. Can you share those soya chunks with me?
Sure.
Ah.
But they have not sent me this.
Let me see what's for me. Oh God, I don't want this pumpkin soup. No chance. Watermelon I will have. I'm sure it's
ready?
same as yesterday. I got palak paneer too.
Nodi guys, have you
What
seen
is
any?
this?
I don't know. Rajma. That looks
Okay.
interesting. I can have that.
That's our dinner for the day. Last meal here.
Here.
And tomorrow. Just kidding, you guys. See, the food is good, okay? And for people who actually come here for like weight loss and naturopathy to feel all of that, they should. In our case, we came here as a collab for 2 nights. So we don't really have the motivation to eat this sattvic food. That's about it. Next day, it was time for us to leave and check out today, but we started our day with a nice, beautiful hot stone massage. Both me and Sagar got it done, and this was one of the best massages I got in the past 2 days. We are leaving today, and it's our cheat meal.
No, it's my cheat meal.
Hey, mine also.
Doesn't look like.
Baby,
Check once.
they told me fried rice. What rubbish. This
That's
is mine.
That's mine.
Saga, I asked for
I
fried
asked
rice.
him. He said it Idyarge, madamge, he told.
Hey,
Because he kept the salad there. You told yesterday, I don't mind, I'll eat raw salad.
This is ulta you have done.
I promise
Get
you.
up. Baby, I'm not good. I'm not. Bro, you call them. I have in mind.
Call
this
them
thing
now,
gets written.
you eat this. I will eat outside. You
I
come
want
eat.
to eat that.
Yeah, eat
Yours.
that only. Yeah, eat that only. Then what are you going to eat?
Your food.
Then you also lost this battle.
Saga, I'm not here for naturopathy. I'm here for
I
collab.
am here for you, naturopathy. I am here for patni.
Guys,
Like,
yeah,
I miss you,
anyways,
bloody
guys,
shit.
I was looking forward to having fried rice. And Kobe's were looking so good. This is not fair.
For you, they sent this also.
Okay, so that was it, you guys. Now ಇವತ್ತು ಹೊರಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ back to Bangalore. This was day 3. We stayed here for a total of 3 days. And overall, I think like it's a nice place to come and detox. If you want to detox your body, if you want to lose weight, if you have any
Why did you show towards me lose weight?
lose weight, I said
That's
like
good.
that. Lose weight, and if you have any pain or ಏನಾದರೂ ಸೀಕ್ ಗೀಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೈಸ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಜನರಲ್ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲೋ ಆಗಲಿ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ then I personally think this might not help because it's a little rigid with the food and the rules, and you have a full timetable the whole day, no time to relax at all. ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಹೊಸ ಬುಕ್ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮೇ ಸಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್.
I got my gym shoes.
You have to talk loudly, you don't have a mic.
I've got gym shoes, but absolutely no use because I'm already burning 800 calories without that.
There was no time. By the time you finish all your treatments and you come back, you just want to like pass out and go to bed. The sound healing ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತಿದು ಹಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. But things like, you know, that mud on the back, and Sagar also did one mud wrap. It's
Marination.
beneficial for our body. But it's not like a very ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಪಾ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾವ್ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೌನ್, ರಿಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೀಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ. ಐ ಜನರಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಐ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಮಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ನನಗೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಬಾಡಿ ಡರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್.
That would have been a sight to watch. Wrapped in mud. Overall, it was. How was your experience?
I just know what I'm barking.
Out of 10, out of 10, how was it? Yeah, it was nice, guys. If you have like, it was fine.
That was my
Other than the
experience.
food,
What did you think?
I like the place. I like the people. Everything is fine.
People are very nice here. They are so like ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, my one thing is ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ people are very rude. I feel like even if you go to a shop or rickshaw driver ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಟಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. So I literally hate that about Bangalore. But illi, they're all so sweet and nice. Everyone's like smiling and talking. They're like, oh hi, how are you today? You know, I like to be around such an environment. So I really love the people here. They're so sweet and nice.
Don't interrupt. I forgot now what I have to tell.
Oh, really? I wonder. It is the same for me.
Guys,
Guys. Tell guys. Don't act crazy.
okay.
Before talking, use your sense.
It's a beautiful place, guys. Everybody in the planet has to
Don't
come
be
here.
so fake also. Be honest.
I'll be honest, it was difficult for me to manage with food. I can manage with sleep also, honestly. But food is something I can't manage, guys. I thought I would be able to, but I was wrong. It's good, definitely good, very healthy, zero oil, everything. She's had beetroot soup, carrot soup.
Try ಮಾಡಿದೆ guys 2 days but
Yeah.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ like
Then in the last
it
2
was
days,
hard but they generally say people who are staying 2-3 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ they get used to it and they
maybe next time Minal's planning to come here without me for 1 week and stay here and enjoy the whole thing by herself. Yeah, so it was good. It was nice. It was different. It is something
same
which
thing
I've
I
never
repeat,
experienced
anything else you have
before.
to say.
This is the first time I'm
Full, you're
experiencing
littering the
something
whole
like
place.
this. And finally, I'm happy to go home
Thank you
and
guys.
stop on the way.
I better stop this
And
video.
one
He's
more thing, I
talking
just
some
want to tell
crap.
you one thing in the end. Just last thing, I want to end this video with by saying, inhale deeply, exhale slowly from
Nose
nose.
from no, not from nose, nose from
Nose from.
Bye.